Good afternoon, students. This is Saboni Dara. Welcome to my channel. Today, in this English lecture of chapter number 1.1, An Astrologer's Day, we will going to continue the part which we have ended up in the last lecture video. So, let's start, students. The nuts vendor blew out his flare and rose go to home. This was a signal for the astrologer to bundle up too, since it left him in darkness except for a little shaft of green light which strayed in from somewhere and touched the ground before him. He picked up his cowrie's shell and paraphernalia and was putting them back into his bag when the green shaft of light was bolted out. So what does it means? First of all, I would like to tell you the meaning of paraphernalia. Means it is a collection of articles used in a particular activity. So with this, he is just picking up each and every cowrie shells and all the gathering things which he used to use in his business, and he kept in his bag and he just bolted out. So he looked up and saw a man standing before him. When he looked up, जब भी उसने ऊपर देखा तभी उसने ये देखा है कि एक इंसान खड़ा है उनके सामने. He sensed a possible client and said, "You look so careworn. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me." The other grumbled some reply vaguely. The astrologer pressed his invitation, whereupon the other thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologer." So he was actually telling that you called yourself as an astrologer. Argumentatively, the astrologer sent up a astrologer felt challenged and said, tilting the other's palm towards the green shaft of light, "Yours is a nature." So जैसे नॉर्मली कोई चीज़ अगर रह जाता है उसके सामने तो हम लोग देखते हैं उसके पाम को, और वैसे ही दूसरे पाम को देखते हुए उसने ये बताया दैट्स योर्स इज़ अ नेचर. हो स्टॉप दैट, द अदर सेड. दूसरे जन ने बोला कि स्टॉप करो. टेल मी समथिंग वर्थ वाइल, कुछ ऐसे बताओ जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सा हो. आवर फ्रेंड फेल्ट पिक्वेट. सो इस तरह से बोला है. पिक्वेट का मतलब है इरिटेटेड. I charge only 3 Ps per questions, and what you get ought to be good enough for your money. At this, the other withdrew his arm, took out an anna and flung it out to him, saying, "I have some questions to ask. If I prove you are bluffing," उसने सामने से बोला कि अगर मुझे लगा और अगर मैंने प्रूफ किया कि आप ब्लफिंग कर रहे हो, यानी कि आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हो ऐसे ही, "यू मस्ट रिटर्न दैट अन्ना टू मी विथ इंटरेस्ट." वो पर्टिकुलर जो मैं आपको दूंगा आपको इंटरेस्ट के साथ फिर से मुझे वापस करना पड़ेगा. "इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी आंसर सेटिस्फैक्ट्री, विल यू गिव मी 5 रुपीज़?" अगर मेरे कोई भी आंसर सेटिस्फैक्ट्री लगे आपको तो आप मुझे 5 रुपये फिर से दोगे? नो. और विल यू गिव मी 8 annas? ऑल राइट, प्रोवाइडेड यू गिव मी ट्वाइस एज मच इफ़ यू आर रॉन्ग. तो उसने ये बोला अगर तुम रॉन्ग साबित हुए, अगर तुम गलत साबित हुए तो तुम्हें ये डबल देना पड़ेगा, यानी कि 8 रुपीज़ देना पड़ेगा. सेड द स्ट्रेंजर. This pact was accepted after the little further prayer to heaven, as the other lit a chariot The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the matchlight. There was a pause as cars hooted on the road. Jhutka drivers swore at their horses, and the babble of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. The other sat down, sucking his chariot, puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. मतलब चारों तरफ से उसको घेर लिया था क्राउड ने, और फिर जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर था ही बिकेम वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल इन हिज वर्क. Here, take your Anna back. I'm not used to such challenges. It is late for me today. So मैं ये challenges बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना चाहता क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी आज के लिए लेट हो चुका हूँ. He made preparations to bundle up. उसने सोचा कि मैं ये सारी चीज़ें लेके रख दूँ और फटाफट मैं चला जाऊँ घर पे. The other held his wrist. मतलब एक जन ने उसका हाथ पकड़ लिया. And said, you can't get out of it now. उसने बोला ये अभी तुम यहाँ से जा नहीं सकते. You dragged me in while I was passing. The astrologer shivered in his grip, and his voice shook and became faint. मतलब वो बहुत ही बुरी तरह से डर गया था एस्ट्रोलॉजर. Leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow. उसने ये बोला कि आज मुझे छोड़ दो, मैं कल तुमसे बात करता हूँ. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge. Go on. The astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up. There is a woman. Stop, said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you disgorge all your coins. The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied, all right, I will speak, but will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth, and you may do what you like. After a good deal of haggling, the other agreed. मतलब यही अच्छी तरह से उन लोग ने एक दूसरे से वार्तालाप करके कम्युनिकेट करके अग्रीड किया. The astrologer said, you were left for death. Am I right? Ha! Tell me more. A knife has passed through you once, said the astrologer. Good fellow. He bared his chest to show the scare. What else? And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field. You were left for death. I should have been dead if some passer by hand had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. So इसी तरह से इन लोग का कॉन्वर्जेशन चलता रहा, और ये गैसअप पार्ट जो था एस्ट्रोलॉजर के दिमाग में वो गैसिंग करता रहा, और उन लोग एक एक गैसअप को अलग अलग टाइप से देखते रहे और उनको चुनौती भर लगाया गया. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. कल हम लोग एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी देखेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर प्रीशियस टाइम. I hope you got my video lecture properly. Thank you. Bye-bye.